Hey, Bearwood Brown here. Just doing a little project, helping the plumber out. I'm bleeding a combi boiler. Now, can you see that? That's the pressure gauge under there. And a lot of times these are connected to what's known as a fill loop. You see this? Got a little valve here. Here's the incoming water supply, and this goes into the boiler, I'm assuming. So what I want is I want that up to number 1. On this side down here, there's a shut-off valve. When you get done, that wants to be in the off position. Now, I'm simply going to turn that valve because they did some work on the boiler today, and the upstairs radiator needs to be bled a little bit. So I'm going to take it up a little past 1. Now sometimes if you have a combi boiler and it won't turn on all of a sudden, you got a couple of problems. But what you need to do to get it running is to actually get this pressure gauge up to whatever the recommended pressure is on your directions. Now in this one case, the plumber said take it up to number 1. Okay, this is the 3rd time I've added water because it's a massive radiator upstairs. And then you just go to the radiators and then bleed them in the normal fashion. I don't like this to go too low when I'm doing that, because that might mean air gets in the other radiators. But I do it a little bit at a time. Where is it? Where's it gone? There. And this might get you out of trouble. But if you got a problem with your pressure going down, see the boiler won't turn on if the pressure is too low. So you need to give it a little bit of water, and it might get you out of trouble. At least it'll start. I know people that do this on a regular basis. They're not sure where the water is going. I mean, the main thing would be nice if you just had a leak instead of inside the boiler in what they call the heat exchanger. It's just evaporated. There's a leak in there. It's not quite right. So now I'm going to go upstairs and bleed some more air out, and I may have to come down and repeat this as I go. I hope that helps you a little bit.